Hey everybody, welcome to our current project. Here we are at 7 Foundry Street. This is a flip project that we purchased back in February, closed on it on March 12th. Here we are April 2nd, and I want to show you what's changed already in just the 3 weeks. It's been an amazing project so far, and we're excited to show you some of the things that you can think about expecting if you're getting into a big flip project like this. Anyways, come on inside and I'll show you some things. Back on Demolition Day, the first weekend we got the house, we had to empty it all out, obviously. Well, we were pulling out a couch through this door when the first thing we realized about the structural issue is this. Check this out. You see how that is all moving? Don't worry, it's been stabilized inside. There's no chance that's going to fall down. But there you go. There's one thing already that we found out just on Demolition Day before we even tore apart the walls, just emptying this house out, that we already had some structural issues. This house was built in 1890 something. This was your original front door. When we bought it, this was the master bedroom on the main floor. You can see now the front door of the house is currently over there from what they've changed on. You can see the stairs coming down from outside. It was a duplex here, a legal duplex when we bought it, and we were converting it back to a single family residence. So the stairs are going to change and convert so that they're coming up through here to upstairs from your main living area that you see behind me. As you can see, we still have a fridge here so that the guys can keep their food cold, and obviously still a working bathroom. Here's the inside main floor. Again, I showed you what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. Again, things that we found inside when we tore apart the walls. You can see the structural issues behind me. It definitely should not look like that. All of this is going to be fixed as we're going through. But again, as you take off walls, you find more problems. This house was built back in the late 1800s. So there was a lot of additions added on at different times when building codes weren't what they were today. So we fixed them all. So for those of you that know me, you know I'm not very handy. I definitely haven't had a part in the construction or demolition of this house other than this room I'm standing in right here. The first weekend when we did Demolition Day, I got to come in here and I tore this room apart. I didn't get it down to the studs again like you see it today. I will show you what I did and a little trick about how to take down drywall if you're ever demolishing a room that I was taught that day by our professionals. So I mentioned this is a legal duplex before, so now we're in the upstairs second apartment. You can see the door behind me that they would escape from there, or the other stairs there leading outside, right? So anyways, this is going to become the upstairs, so that's going to be closed off. The stairs that we mentioned downstairs are going to reconfigure so they're coming up. We have bedroom number 1 right here, where this is. This is going to become a hallway. You can see where the bathroom was before. Obviously that's going to stay there. There's going to be a walkway that's going to go across this way into what will become bedroom number 2 over here. I can't believe I just fit through that. It's been many years. Anyways, this is the top floor. Well, that's 7 Foundry, our current project. Does something this big scare you? It did me a little bit. That's why I surround myself with the professionals that we work with to make sure that every aspect of our projects are taken care of. I always say, if everybody else knows what they're doing, it doesn't matter how little I know about construction, that's for sure. I can hang a mean picture though.